So piracy seems to be down this year over last year. What do you make of that?
Yeah, well, there is fact that piracy is down. In this same period last year, 17 ships were successfully pirated. This year, we've only lost one. The factors I believe that are making that the case is, firstly, the merchant community are being much better in terms of implementing self-protection measures. Routinely now we're seeing merchant vessels transiting the waters, having taken the protection measures, whether that be fire hoses over the side, barbed wire on the railings, or ladders and other accesses to the ship secured. So that's a good starter for 10. At the same time, I believe the military have got much better. There are a whole range of organisations and nations out here, all with the same mandate of eradicating piracy. By cooperating and coordinating our activity much better, then I think we're being much more efficient. And routinely examples are given, maybe where a Japanese MPA has detected a skiff, a NATO helicopter might react to it, and a European Union or a coalition ship then goes ahead and boards it. It's that seamless sort of boundaries between the various organisations and nations which is actually helping us to become that much more effective. And I think the third thing is something is probably occurring ashore. That Somaliland and Puntland, I think, are starting to introduce some form of local governance in place and starting to police their waters perhaps slightly better. Piracy is becoming less socially acceptable in some areas within Somalia, and so the populace themselves are taking some reaction. And so those three factors, I think, are currently driving down piracy. Undoubtedly, the pirates will not give up lightly. They'll probably change their tactics, their modus operandi. We may see something different, but what we're trying to do is keep one step ahead of them and be ready to counter them.